Hey guys, I'm Dan. Today we are opening two brand new sets right here, okay? Farm World from Schleich as well as Barnyard Pals from Schleich right here. So let's open our first set right over here. Wow, we have some very cute little chickens right here. Fuzzy chickens. I'm not too sure what is the actual name of these chickens. Shall we have a look? It basically shows 3 chicken. If you have any idea of what is the name of these chickens, do let me know. Okay, let's just call them furry chickens for now. I need to find out what type of chickens they are. They look so cute. You can see they have like really beautiful fur. That's our first one. And our second one, let's have a look. Let's open this. Doesn't seem to be opening. Our second one, it's a dark brown furry chicken. And you can see the first one, the second one is a black one, a dark brown. And the very first one is more of a lighter color. And finally, our third one. These are actually not ripping off. Our third one, it's a white chicken. Oh my goodness, they look so cute. You can't even see the eyes. I'm gonna place them right over here. And now let's open this box up. This box is a pretty huge box. I'm just gonna rip the box open right now. Just give me a second. Gonna get all the contents out. So it comes with a donkey, a sheep, a cow, and a chicken. And it comes with a very beautiful farm background that we can place behind. Now let's have a look. So we have a very small little donkey. Seems to be a donkey foal. Nice. And we have a very beautiful sheep. I like it. And the next one we have, wow, it's actually stuck inside. Let's try and get it out. Apologies for the loud noise. We have a very beautiful cow. I like this. I think we should have a similar cow in our collection. And lastly, we have a cockerel, a very beautiful cockerel. So this will be added to our farm animals collection. Now let's take a look at all of them. We have a rabbit right here. I'm gonna place it here. I'm gonna put the box over here. And here we have a Holstein cow, if I'm not wrong. That's right. Oops, apologies. I'm gonna put it right behind. We also have plenty of dogs in our collection, and this is an American Staffordshire, followed by another donkey. This is an adult donkey, and this is like a baby donkey. Let's put them together over here. And here we have a Dalmatian. I'm gonna be placing the Dalmatian together. Here's another one. Dalmatian. There are some facts that you can read. Dalmatian was bred to run along horse-drawn carriages. Nice. And here we have a goat. Let's place it right behind. And here we have a Great Dane. Great Danes, they are not farm animals for sure. And here we have a beautiful brown horse. This horse can't really stand very well, as you can see. And here's a very beautiful cat. And it's known as an exotic short-haired cat. Let's place it right in front. We have our St. Bernard right here. They are used to rescue people from accidents, from danger. And here we have a bulldog. It's a very nice one. And here we have another cow. Let's see what else we've got. Another sheep. Oh, this sheep is exactly the same as the previous one, so I think they are both from the same set, I suppose. And here we have a German Shepherd, a goat right here, nice. And here we have a buffalo. This is an Asian buffalo, a water buffalo, a very beautiful white horse. A sow, a female pig right here. Look at the nose, so adorable. Another sheep. Jack Russell Terrier. Jack Russells are very intelligent, they have very good stamina. And here we have what seems to be a dog. I'm not too sure, it could be a goose. I can't really tell. Sometimes they're not very accurate. Here we have a bantam chicken. It's a very small species of chicken. A small little horse, a foal. It's a nice one, super adorable. Here we have a very big figure. This is a, let's see, is this a Hereford cow? It could be. Beautiful cow. We have a Shih Tzu. Super adorable dog. My dog Tutu is known as is a Shih Tzu as well. A dog, green dog. Oh, we have a very cute little alpaca right here. A young foal, a young horse, very long legs. What is this? Is this a boxer? Yeah, it is a boxer. They are very strong species of dogs. Poodle? They are very intelligent. Poodles are extremely intelligent. Golden Retriever, extremely gentle natured, very friendly. Here's a cow. Could be a Holstein cow, not exactly sure. A black sheep. And here we have a cat. Let's see what is written right here. It's known as a Manx cat, a grey cat. And here we have a grey tabby. It's not a grey. I mean, I think they have reused the scalp for the grey tabby. It's basically an orange cat. We have a retriever. Sorry, a Labrador. Yeah, they can also be used to retrieve game, retrieve hunt. We have a Border Collie. They are now known for their intelligence. In fact, they are actually ranked #1 most intelligent dogs. Oh, we have another donkey. Seems like we've got the same set. Nice. And here's another goat. Seems to be a nanny goat from Schleich. And here we have a French bulldog, also known as a Frenchie. Nice. Another chicken. That's a really beautiful chicken, extremely well detailed. We have a Siberian Husky. Looks kind of goofy. Siberian Husky. They love to howl a lot. Hungarian pig. Oh, looks like the pig is smiling. It's well known for its very curly hair. Shar-Pei. You can see it has plenty of crumpet skin. Collie. dog. It could be an adult. What about this one? I think this is a... I'm not too sure what is the exact name of this. I think it's a bull terrier, something like that. A cow. Pot-bellied pig. Super adorable. A rabbit. Brown rabbit. German Shepherd puppy. It's got to be one of the cutest dogs in our collection. It's known as German Shepherd puppy Ronnie. Okay, that's cute. I didn't know it's running. This is a cattle dog, Australian cattle dog. So they can be used to herd cattle. Golden Retriever again. Very popular breed of dogs. Hereford cow. Nice. Hereford cow. This is Dachshund. Some people pronounce it as Dachshund, but I've actually read it up, and the right name is Dachshund. We have a calf, baby cow. Looks very cute. Another sheep. Check out the curved horns. Really nice. Guernsey cow, right here. Check this out. Guernsey cow. We have a female pig. A sow. Another chicken. Cockerel. What is this? A goat. Let's see what is written right here. Pygmy nanny goat. Small little goat. Here we have another cat. Looks super adorable. British short hair. Cute. Wow, this sheep looks very, very fluffy. Like it has plenty of wool. Americana chicken right here. They're well known for laying blue eggs, if I'm not wrong. Schnauzer. Another nanny goat. Nice figure. A cow. From Schleich. Very young horse. Beautiful. I think this is a Persian cat. It's a Persian cat. Here we have a boxer, I suppose. hare, a white hare. It's like a wild rabbit. This is the Irish red setter. Nice. Cute little figure. Chinchilla. Very, very adorable. Look at the face. Here's another German Shepherd baby. A golden retriever. Nice. And here we have a gander, I think. Gander. Check out the wings. Really, really well detailed. Another sheep. A Siamese cat. Another cockerel. Very, very beautifully detailed. What is this? A very adorable dog. It is a Burmese mountain dog. They are extremely brave, and they can actually protect the herd from wolves. Small little cat. Here we've got a Shiba Inu. It's very adorable. A pig. Hampshire pig. It's a very, very well detailed figure, as you guys can see. All of them are so beautiful. We have a collie puppy. Nice. Another cat. Gray cat. Another sow. Female pig. Hereford cow calf, I think. Yep, that's right, Hereford calf. So that's the baby of this cow right here. Super adorable. Phoenix rooster. Nice. We've got a gray cat. Goat. A duck. A white duck. Beautiful white duck. Another Siamese cat. A donkey calf. This donkey looks very malnourished. A donkey called Foal, beg your pardon. Oh, this is so cute. Doberman Pinscher puppy. One of our cutest puppy. More chicks. And Jack Russell Terrier. Rabbit. Here's another rabbit. I think this is a Cocker Spaniel. Very, very beautiful. A hare. Brown hare. Saul. A duck. A Shiba Inu puppy. Squirrel. Piglet. Boston Terrier. A chicken. And we got 2 little piglets right here. That is all. Thanks for watching this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.